Malawi Brief.
Phungu kuchokera dera la Salima Central anayamikira Alfred Gangata amenenso ndi nduna ya zamasewero chikhalidwe ndi achinyamata amene apita ku Scotland kukayimirira dziko la Malawi komanso President Mutharika pa ntchito za boma. Phunguyu anayamikira zomwe alankhula Gangata ku Scotland komanso kuuza nyumbayi kuti iyamikire ndi kukhala pambuyo pa ndunayi, koma Namalomba anayima ndi kuuza Phunguyu kunena kuti ngakhale ayamikira Gangata koma amayeneka kuti adikire anyakewo kuti azafike kayi nyumbayi ndi azayamikiridwe.
Has happened in Glasgow. Politics aside, our brother, our own Malawi Minister of Sports, Youth and Culture, made a very stunning statement in Glasgow. Very beautiful. I think for those people that might have been having issues with him, I think now they are pulling out. We are going there. That's it. Whatever issues there might be, he was addressing a high-level host, and the delegation of Malawi was there. I enjoyed it. I thought as a house, and as our own brother, and as a parliamentarian, and as a minister who is there representing Malawi, we should stand and at least give a round of applause to Honorable Minister of Sports, Youth and Culture. Honorable Speaker, second thing, our athletes looked so beautiful, energetic, and ready to bring medals to Malawi. Only one thing, Honorable Speaker, I think as this House should discuss, leader weight, is the identity in terms of dress code. They were in blazers. And if you saw other countries, they dressed in their national attire. It's a high time Malawi should have its own identity. When it comes to dressing in such type of occasions, it was good, but they were in blazers, white shirt, and black trousers. All that team. We are hosting CPA, Honorable Speaker, which you are hosting. And congratulations to you to accept that during this inauguration, Malawi should look cultural and natural. We have got our own identity. If you go to Ethiopia, one thing you go into their restaurants, they ask you, do you want to eat injera? They call it injera or injera, something like that. What is it that Malawi can showcase? These are the occasions you should have taken advantage. I thought of making these 3 points. Congrats, Speaker, you are the president of CPA. I think it should be CPA. We'll be hosting it sometime next week or the other week. During that, all parliamentarians, let's put on our traditional attire. We have got our own identity, not in blazers and look like we are in Western world. I wanted to make this observation, right, Honorable Speaker, and I'm a happy person today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Salima Central. Yes, Deputy Leader.
Right, Honorable Speaker. Without taking out what the honorable member who has resumed his seat has just said, but I thought that reflecting on a person who is not in the House is not proper, that would have waited until the minister is back, is in the House, to offer your positive sentiments. Again, it is not orderly that this is a government's day. We are ready to transact as government, and you had yesterday as a private member's day. You had the liberty to bring your issues to hijack government business. It's not proper. And I would want from government side, Honorable Speaker, sir, to register that maybe we needed to be orderly a little bit. If it is a point of order, it should not go beyond the prescribed limit, but also we should be raising issues that are relevant and pertinent on the order paper. I would want to appeal to your office that that should be the way that we should be transacting. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Leader. Noted. All right, members, let's go to serious business now. Point of order, Mchenga Northeast. What's gone out of order? You have the floor.
Thank you, First Deputy Speaker, for granting the people of Mchenga Northeast constituency to speak. Mr. Speaker, sir, for according the people of Mchenga Northeast constituency to stand on point of order. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would have used Standing Order 14 to bring this issue out, but because of the importance of this issue and the urgency of this issue, I've stood here to bring to the attention of this House about what is happening in this country. Mr. Speaker, sir, as we are speaking now, almost all health facilities in Malawi are lacking hand gloves. And this is putting the welfare of health workers at risk. As we are speaking now, the Human Resources for Health Coalition has released a press release requesting that all health workers must withdraw from their workplaces because they don't want the health workers to be exposed to safety issues. I would like to ask the minister responsible to at least look into the matter so that this issue can be addressed. It's a matter of huge concern because without hand gloves, Mr. Speaker, sir, we are compromising the quality of the healthcare services in the country. I just wanted to put this across so that the minister is aware of what is happening in health facilities. Perhaps she can also stand in the House and perhaps address the August House. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mchenga Northeast. I'm happy that in your statement you said you wish you had used Standing Order 14. I think we have time. The ushers will bring the form to you. I've asked them, make it procedural so that the minister is able to get answers for you. I'm sure also the minister has taken note of that. Thank you. Mpenu, is that a point of order? You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving some space to Mpenu to rise on a point of order. Mr. Speaker, I rise prompted by an interview that was granted by the Minister of Information, in which an inference was made that members of parliament are complaining about CDF because they dip their fingers into it. Now, I, for one, have used the last tambala in my constituency without dipping a finger into CDF. Now, I wanted to ask you, whilst we appreciate that there could be some bad apples, but not everyone is driven by that spirit of wanting to dip into the CDF jar. Is it in order, Mr. Speaker, sir, to insinuate that MPs are complaining about CDF just because they dip their fingers into the CDF jar? I submit, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Mpenu. Let me say that since you said it was an interview outside of Parliament, I can't comment much on that because I haven't seen that interview. But if you make it available, or we we can follow it up and see the context on how the minister made that presentation. If it is direct like that, then I will come back with a response. Until I see the interview, I cannot respond anything now. But I'll make it a point that I look at it and maybe speak to the minister involved to see what he was trying to say. Otherwise, let's wait for that interview to be made available. Thank you, Honorable Pen. Honourable members, let's now proceed as guided by the Deputy Leader. We start with questions for oral replies. Minister of Information. Minister of Information. We start with question 113 in today's order paper, coming from the people of Balaka Rivirivi. Balaka Rivirivi is not in the house. Let's go to question 201, Chitipa Central. Yes, Chitipa Central.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, for recognizing the great people of Chitipa Central. I rise to agree that the question appearing on the order paper today comes from the people of Chitipa Central, especially people from Namalomba, Mswero, GVH, Nagasale, Msangano, Nansato, Senior GVH, Mkumbilende, and Upiu. I submit late Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Chitipa Central. Honorable Minister of Information and Communications Technology.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, sir. The question is from indeed Chitipa Central and is to ask my ministry whether we could consider engaging mobile network operators to improve network coverage in Swero, Upiu, Namalomba, Kumbilende, Nasato, and Sangano areas. I would like to thank the Honorable Member for this question. Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry is aware of the need for improving network coverage at the mentioned 6 areas. Upon engaging the 2 mobile operators, namely Telecom Networks, Malawi Limited, Airtel Malawi, to establish whether they have plans to improve network coverage in Iswero, Upiu, Namalomba, Kumbilende, Nasato, and the Sangano areas, it was found that Airtel Malawi specifically does not have planned network tower deployments in all the 6 areas, while TNM confirmed that these locations indeed have poor coverage spots due to the mountainous terrain that blocks radio network propagation from nearby sites of Ifumbo and Juni. However, TNM is constructing an additional tower at Kapenda Hill, which will improve network coverage at Upiu and some of the listed areas, including Jerengwa and Iromba border. It may interest the honorable member to know that this is going to be completed by 30th August 2026. Honorable Speaker, recognizing the critical role that communication services play in this country in social development, government through my ministry, in collaboration with the World Bank, is implementing the Digital Malawi Acceleration Program. This program aims to expand digital infrastructure and improve connectivity across undeserved and unserved areas. I must say that under this project, Chitipa will be served with about 13 towers. 13 towers will go to Chitipa in total. Mr. Speaker, sir, at the 6 areas mentioned by the honorable member, through the Malawi Communications Regulatory Authority, MACRA, utilizing the Universal Service Fund, USF, and supported by the Digital Malawi Program, my ministry will mobilize resources to upgrade these sites, 6 sites, and supplement the planned upgrades by 10M to enhance the network coverage. Additionally, the project will assess the feasibility of constructing dedicated towers at the sites to ensure that sustainable and reliable mobile coverage is achieved in the area. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me assure you and the entire House that my ministry remains committed to ensuring equitable access to reliable and affordable communication services throughout Malawi. Through coordinated efforts with MACRA, the Universal Service Fund, and development partners, government of His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika will ensure that appropriate infrastructure interventions are undertaken to improve network coverage in all areas where network coverage is not adequate or not available at all. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister of Information. I'll now take supplementary questions, starting with Zomba Malosa.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, for giving people of Zomba Malosa chance to ask a supplementary question to the Minister of Information. Zomba Malosa have these areas: Naisi, Jokala, Songani, Matandani, Somba, Namwera, that are also experiencing a slow network. I would like the Minister of Information, as if considering other places, to consider these places. And one of the areas that has never seen network is Kasonga. This area, ever since God created it, it has never seen network. I would like to ask the Minister of Information, through the able President Professor Thabira Mutharika, to help us at Kasonga to have at least a tower and have network. Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Zomba Malosa. Let's go to Mwanza West.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, for granting me an opportunity to ask a supplementary question to the Honorable Minister of Information. My rising today is to thank the Minister for the noble work that has been done in Mwanza West. I rise here today with a grateful heart because when we ask, our Honorable Ministers listened. First Deputy, Mr. Speaker, it was on 7th December 2025 that I stood here requesting the Minister of Information if you could consider completing a network tower in Tambo area, Senior Chief in Taje in Mwanza West. And I'm pleased to inform you that on 30th June 2026, just last month, the whole week was done, and the people now are enjoying the network right in their homes. The men now can rest because they have stopped carrying women in their bags just to look for network. So the people of Mwanza West, especially in the areas of Tambo, Ngozo, Chimbwinda, Kalanga, Mpeni, and many others have sent me today to thank the Honorable Minister of Information that they are indeed really grateful for what has been done. This isn't a mere achievement in our constituency. It was really a challenge. And now that this good news has reached all corners of Mwanza West, the people from Kasuza and Fight are also looking forward to them enjoying the network right in their homes. Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mwanza West. Baraka Ulongwe.
Speaker, I see you have.
Yeah, because Baraka Ulongwe had just switched off. Baraka Ulongwe, switch on your mic. Honour members, I'm trying to log Baraka. If we can switch off our mics, please. As it is, he's the last one on the three questions, supplementary. You will come in on the other question. Let's give him the floor. You have the floor, Honourable.
Thank you, the Right Honourable Speaker, sir, for according the people of Baraka Ulongwe a chance to ask a supplementary question to the Minister of Information and Communication Technology. The people of TA Amidu, GVH Magombo, would like to request the Honorable Minister of Communication if he could request the mobile operators to construct a tower at Chilanga and surrounding villages because there is almost zero network, and actually it's a very big problem because even when they want to call for an ambulance, they are unable to reach us. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you very much, Baraka Ulongwe. I see Chukwawa West. Is that a point of order? Or you want to ask a question?
Good morning, Right Honorable Speaker. Abirija Bananga is saying hi. I wanted to mention that is it in order that my neighbor can thank the minister for the tower and then you leave out Chabananga? Because also in Chabananga we did thank the minister. Changoima now is enjoying Airtel network. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, and thank you, Honorable Minister. Changoima now they are enjoying Airtel network. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Chikwawa West. Honorable Minister, you've got questions and also thankful messages. You'll see how to handle that.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Of course, positive sentiments without an invitation. While my colleagues have been invited before here, I don't know why not me. That said, Honorable Speaker, let me respond to the supplementary questions. Let me thank the Honorable Member for Zomba Marosa for the question and requesting my ministry to consider network coverage for the areas like Daisi, Jokara, Somba, Namwera, and in particular, Kasonga area. I would want to, as I respond, want to encourage members that we did submit forms here. Members take advantage of those forms to list the areas that you don't have network in your areas. Please do so as a matter of urgency so that we can begin to work on those sites. So let me assure you, Zomba Marosa, that we have taken on board your request and we will do the needful. Thank you very much. As for Mwanza West, and thank you very much. The story of the 10 lepers, you remember in the Bible, specifically Luke 17, from verse 11 to 49. Only one returned to thank Jesus. Yeah? And the response was that go you, and your faith has healed you. We'll give you more towers. We'll give you more towers. Thank you very much. We'll give you more towers because you've been genuine by coming back and thanking the ministry, the government of His Excellency Professor Supplementary. Thank you very much for that. Baraka Ulongwe, thank you very much for your question. I know that that's where my village, that's where my ancestors originated. My ancestors originated from Baraka. No. That's where, because that's where you, Mr. Speaker, sir, in Baraka, that's where you find the name Namalomba. Namalomba did originate from there. And I know this particular area. That's why I would want to assure my honorable brother from Baraka Ulongwe that the request that is submitted to government will be considered. Other than that, thank you very much, Mwanza. Is it Mwanza? Chikwawa West, my dear sister, thank you very much for the sentiments. You will also be blessed in a special way. Thank you very much. Thank you.
In a special way, or in a tower way.